All right, guys. Let's see, we got a backlean pine tree here down in Wilmington. We're in this big project. I clear a bunch of land along this fence line, and this pine here has a backlean, as you can see. And here at the base, there's some radical fucking Billy Ray stuff here. So I actually I did a board cut first. It's where you take the chainsaw and cut into it first. So I made a channel. So I put my wedge in, and then I made my face cut. I made a real thick hinge. This is wild thick, probably a little too thick. So I don't know. We'll see if I can get it over like it is, but I might have to make some adjustments here. So I got 2 wedges in it. I'm just gonna wedge it over, and we'll see if I can get some good film. Now, this is straight down. Yeah, now, very important. Now, my original comment, this hinge was so thick. I went and cut a little away. I think I cut a little more away, but now I gotta leave exactly where I want it. So, people say dropping trees is hard. Yeah, it is hard. It's hard work. But if you know what you're doing, you can get it right where you want it. It's gonna be right somewhere in there. I'm not gonna be a scientist on this one. Although, it could be. Put one right between a house and another tree yesterday. It was dope. Or Thursday. Let's see if I can wedge it over a little more. There we go. Oh, that is some hinge wood. Oh, excuse me, I burped. All right, look at this hinge wood here. Look at that, man. You don't get that on normal residential fells. No, sir. So we're in the woods. I don't have machinery access, so we're doing it the woodsman way. All right, catch you later.